Ready to unlock all the perks and possibilities of your brand new Halifax credit card? Let's get it activated. First up, the online activation method. Head over to the Halifax website and log into your online banking account. If you haven't already registered for online banking, you'll need to do that first. It's a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Cards or Credit Card Services section, look for your new card, and click on the Activate Card button. You'll likely be asked to confirm some details, like the last few digits of your card number or your date of birth for security purposes. Prefer activating over the phone? Grab your new credit card and dial the number printed on the sticker attached to it. Or find the customer service number on the Halifax website. A customer service representative will guide you through the activation process, verifying your identity and card details. Finally, for a more personal touch, you can activate your card in branch. Simply visit your nearest Halifax branch with your new credit card and a form of photo ID, such as your driver's license or passport. A member of staff will be happy to assist you with the activation. And that's it. Whichever method you choose, activating your Halifax credit card is a breeze. Now you can start enjoying all the benefits it has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.